So many times I've heard promises of romance, but there's something about you that makes me believe in another chance. Can't explain what I'm sensing.
Karim, the soup tastes nice. This tastes nice too, man. Karim.
Yes?
Yeah, expect a call?
No.
Yeah, listen music?
No.
Take out the earbuds them. We're on a date.
Alright. I the image because you wear white, but you have a point. The hostile will go.
Sorry for so hostile. But we don't get to do this much.
That's true. Oh, I forgot to tell you. You look really nice tonight.
Thank you. And you look rich and handsome.
Thanks, babes.
But just that tell us that the soup tastes good. And the stamp can go there, then body.
Alright, so babes, thank you for taking the time out and making this day special. Because really and truly, I could have bothered with the 2 days in the shop and move like 2 old people who live a long time. So, thanks.
No, thank you. This is my first official date. I love it.
So babes, seriously, ready to carry out?
Karim, please, I'm eating.
Alright babes. Okay.
You know, so if we do more of this, like you can come and go garden, we can even go movies. You know the new movie Barbie? We can even watch that.
Babe, that one day, I can give you the money to go to the movies. But me is a pay pink in that and me get upon that, no worry.
Alright, we can watch something different then. The two of us have some in common in our movies. But I'm not going to go without you.
Tony, you're a good girl, you know. I show you know, I'm lucky to have you. I hope you don't mind, I ordered your favorite.
Karim, Alfred chicken.
Tony, it's chicken.
Karim? I know, but for me, it's Alfred chicken.
Alright, that's the name you used the first time I offered this to you.
That is why the name is special to me.
Hold on, babe. You like the shop?
Nope.
So when you shop?
Your ex-hairdresser.
Patsy? So that means no Gatorade never left in the shop. You did check them?
I'm way ahead of you. I tell her if she take none, she write it down. And if she not write it down, it will come out her pay.
You depend on top of things.
As a businesswoman. Karim, a cooking alone is your passion?
I love cooking. I love football. I love coaching the kids by Narbrook. But you know what I love most of all? I love you.
You know, said that's the first you ever said that to me?
I've said it a million times in my mind. I'm going back in a second.